driver here on the way to the city. We're headed to noise complaints. Real excited about this drive here. Cannot wait to take it on a drive.
What he said. What he said. We're gonna be going to noise complaints. We're gonna have some fun. I'm excited to see Mark. We're trying out this vlog camera that we have. Our skin looks really good.
Yeah. I know.
I wonder if there's a filter. I hope there's not. Something
no, our skin is that.
We have because we're Asian.
Yeah, we're like that.
Filipino.
Philippines.
All right, we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
The girls are gonna go pee. We're in the city. We're pre-gaming in the parking garage. Go pee with them.
Go pee.
No.
That's a girl thing.
Oh.
What?
Peeing?
Yeah, that's a girl thing. I mean, if you ask me to go to the bathroom with you, I'd go. I wouldn't think that was
gay.
Oh, there's something wrong.
Happy gay month, because you know you gay and stuff.
I am not. Stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here in the parking lot now, pre-gaming for noise complaints.
Should we get the R&B vibes started?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
You're a Drake fan?
I've been listening to Michael Jackson for 3 fucking days.
He loves Drake.
It's okay.
Oh, like SZA.
Oh, Drake is really good.
I'm a Scorpio, so.
Your rising is Drake.
But I love Kanye too.
And your sun is Scorpio.
Okay, at least it's
And your moon is Kanye.
I love Kendrick too. I love Kendrick.
And your Venus.
I just love hip hop. I really love
My
hip hop.
rising sun is naturally.
Stop the hate. Stop the hip hop hate. Music is music. Oi, Joncho.
And I can't fuck no nigga that ain't got no macho.
I need a baller, shot caller. Take me to the mall so I can spend a couple dollars.
I need a rich nigga, not a bitch.
One of my face.
Ryan
should
said
be a
he's gonna
DJ.
dress up like Justin Bieber next week for his birthday.
Oh, okay.
Your world is my world, and my fight is your fight for you.
I'ma tell you one time.
I'ma tell you
There'll be one less lonely girl.
Oh, coming for you.
All right, check in. Oh, we're walking to the venue now. We're ready to turn. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. I didn't see it. You're on the way. Oh, that's crazy.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're on the way to August Hall.
August Hall
See
in
it
the
or-
city.
We're there. We're gonna go see Mark
And Shanaz.
and Shanaz.
Oh, ain't no way.
All right, we'll get in. We'll see you there.
If I'm your girl, say my name, boy. Let me know I'm in control. Yeah, we can let it show.
They took my camera.
Give you everything I wanted you to be.
vlog.
Hey, vlog.
I don't know what was the last thing you saw, but we had fun. As you can hear, our voices are gone. Or mine is. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did, dude. I'm like, I think I'm getting my brain back right now, but that was really fun.
Did you have fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you?
We're nice and warm.
Good.
Toasty.
So we're going now.
We're going to the parking lot.
Okay.
Shit, you going to after?
We're going home?
Yeah, we're going.
Okay.
But we're gonna. The way you're putting in the ticket. Can someone else do it? Hold on. Okay, I got it. Do they got tops to pay?
Wait, you got a tote bag?
Yeah, he did.